Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just giving a quick little update and I'm showing y'all what I'm doing about their little bit of rain rot on their legs. So, as I'm sure you all know, there has been a lot of mud lately and Louisiana is finally drying up. So, now it's time to fix all the problems that the mud caused. Thankfully it's dry and thankfully they're clean today, so I don't have to scrub them too much. So as you can see right here, that's rain rot. Stop with the tail. Stop it. Thank you. So this lotion is supposed to heal that, fix that, whatever you want to call it. And there's really nothing. I mean, I cleaned off their legs almost every day, and so there's really no other way to try and prevent that. Stop with the tail. Jesus. Slapping me in the face, guys. So since I couldn't prevent it, now I gotta fix it, because I'm sure it's not comfortable to have a little fungus all over your legs. So we're gonna come in with this Equiderma skin lotion for horses. Rain rot, right there, first one. Boom. For skin conditions associated with rain rot, ringworm, scratches, sweet itch, and cannon bone scurf. Yep, that's what that is. Cannon bone scurf. It's just a weird word. Okay. So I'm just gonna squeeze a little bit on there. That didn't apply very well at all. I'm sure you're supposed to wear gloves and stuff, but I didn't think about it. I didn't prepare very well for this. I literally just came out here and I'm like trying to put it on. I have to wash my hands, but okay, so that's on there. Ow! God dang it! Stop with the tail. Stop it! You smacking me with your tail. That's not nice. It's very rude. So we're gonna come around and do this one the same way. Granted, I think that leg's the worst. Ow! Gosh dang it. I'm sorry, okay? I'm doing this to help you get the flies away, because that's why she's doing that. There, fix your little split in your foot there. Okay, so I'm gonna apply. Gosh dang it, I'm just making a mess. Give me that. And this is not cheap either. Gosh dang. Okay. So I think I got it. And so instructions are, you put the lotion on one day, and the next day you come back and you wash them with the shampoo, which I also have the shampoo. It's in the shed. So yeah, you're done. So Miss T's gonna chill and eat her food. Ooh, look how pretty. So pretty. She got a pretty booty. But anyways, and let's go over to this big guy and see how his legs are. Same thing. Not as bad, but oh goodness, look at the flies, dude. They really are getting bad, huh? I'm gonna get. Don't worry, buddy. I'm gonna get that fixed. Okay. All right. Now his tail is really long, so he can get me. He can get me good from anywhere. All right. Let's. I'm gonna try a different method here. No, I can't. Ow! Gosh dang it. Yes, I can. Okay, let's try like this. Just put a little bit. Are you done? Let's put a little bit. Hey, stop with the tail. You just pretended to be mean. Okay. This works better. Less waste. Okay, so here's this one. Whoop. I just tripped over an ant pile, sorry. Excuse you. And then here we go. Number 2. Yes, sir. Hold still. Ow. Gosh, dang it. This is a bad idea. Okay? Because they just keep smacking me with their tails. I don't know how much you're supposed to put. I really should have read the instructions, but whatever. Oh my gosh. I'm such a dummy. But anyways. Okay. Done. And really, it doesn't really... I think he had a little bit of... No, he really didn't. Okay. So usually the fronts... That's just dirt. Front's a little better. But those back legs, man, that stuff gets... That mud gets on those back legs and it sits. And you really can't do anything about it. But let's see. I brought their brush with me. I need to get some more. I need to get another brush set for Miss T so that they're not sharing brushes, because you can actually transfer that rain rot and stuff through the brushes. And I don't want to be doing that because he has really good skin and a really good coat, and she gets rain rot really easily. She's way over there. And I realized my video from the other day, I went back and watched it because I was wondering if y'all could see the coyote in the video, and I realized you can't because my dumb self zoomed in. Oh, hi, buddy. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, I got your brush. Let me switch hands. Okay, let me switch hands. This one's kind of nasty, but whatever. But anyways, I realized that I had accidentally zoomed in like way too much. So you probably caught like a little glimpse of the coyote, and then that was it. Because I zoomed in and then all you could see was the ground and then his big floppy ear. So he absolutely loves this. This is not the correct way to brush horses, by the way. You're supposed to go with the hair, but he has an itchy spot up here. And so I am accommodating. Good boy. He likes his scratches. He's like a big dog. He will follow me around this entire pasture until I come back and give him scratches. Watch. And he stopped. Those flies must really get him right here, because he doesn't really have anything right there. It's just, every time I come out, the flies are just tearing him up. I know, buddy. So, but yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to come back and try to remember to video it. Hold still. Big labradoodle. So, I'm going to try and come back and video it tomorrow. Or this evening. I might wait. And, because it just says you need to leave it for several hours. I do have to go to work at noon. So, when I get back, yeah, I should be able to bathe you guys when I get back. Yes. Anyways, I'm gonna keep scratching my lap. And, so yeah, that's my little update today. Next I'm gonna be riding her. I rode him last time, so I'm gonna ride her today, this afternoon. I'll try to remember to get that on video also. But I hope you guys are enjoying these little short, unedited, cute little videos. Try to make them cute, whatever. Alright, Labradoodle says bye. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!